Trying to access an old BCM database from a previous Outlook installation? This is a business relationship management file that holds valuable contact data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you retrieve your contacts and business data from these BCM database files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for BCM problems. See below for my top choice. BCM files are database files created by Microsoft Business Contact Manager and Outlook add-in that provided CRM functionality for small businesses. They contain business contacts, accounts, opportunities, projects, communication history, and custom fields stored in a SQL Server Express database for managing customer relationships within Outlook. BCM database files are SQL Server Express MDF-format, database files containing relational tables for contacts, accounts, business projects, opportunities, and communication logs. The database schema includes tables for custom field definitions, form layouts, workflow rules, and synchronization metadata managed through the Outlook BCM add-in interface. Most users will find that Microsoft Outlook with Business Contact Manager developed by Microsoft Corporation is the best tool for BCM. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows gives only a surface-level look, so understanding the data requires proper DB tools. We'll initiate a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your BCM file and select Open With. Test Microsoft Outlook with Business Contact Manager if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If the BCM file is still giving you trouble, relax. Before we jump to the universal fix, let's understand why the file is failing. Here are the most common technical reasons you're seeing this error. First, opening with Business Contact Manager. If Business Contact Manager is still installed, open Outlook and access BCM through the Business Contact Manager menu. The add-in connects to the BCM database, automatically displaying contacts, accounts, and opportunities. BCM was discontinued after Office 2013, so this option is only available on older Office installations. Next, accessing the SQL database. Since BCM databases are SQL Server Express files, attach the BCM database directly in SQL Server Management Studio using the Attach Database function. Browse the tables to access contact records, account data, and business opportunity information, using SQL queries to extract and export your business data. Finally, migrating contact data. Export BCM data to CSV format using Business Contact Manager's export function or by querying the SQL database directly. Import the exported CSV data into modern CRM applications like Microsoft Dynamics 365 HubSpot or Salesforce. Map BCM field names to corresponding CRM fields during the import process to preserve data relationships. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.